Today I'm going to share with you how you can use Mote within Google Slides for exit tickets. Now, I love using exit tickets in the classroom as it provides me as a teacher with an understanding of what my students have learned or what they found difficult from that lesson and where to take the next lesson in supporting or extending students in my class. Whenever I've provided students with time to complete an exit ticket, generally at the end of the lesson of 5 minutes, it always takes longer than expected. I've come up with a quick and simple way to still have students reflect on the learning, but allows them to reflect in a much quicker way. Here you'll see I've set up a template here on Google Slides where students can simply insert a photo and then answer the sentence starter here by simply clicking on the Mote button and recording themselves to answer that. I've included a range of sentence starters from today I learned, I want to know more about, the most difficult thing was, something I found difficult. You can have students reflect or create their own as well. And there's also 2 stars and a wish, which many teachers use. By simply using this and having students reflect through audio feedback with evidence of their work provided with it, it gives you as a teacher an insight of what they've understood and where to go to next. I hope this quick and easy way to insert audio for exit tickets supports you in the classroom in knowing how to target and support your students.